Welcome to our channel. Today we will look at the topic of the liver and its recovery. In today's fast-paced world, many of us tend to neglect our health. The liver is an essential organ that plays a crucial role in keeping our body healthy by performing various functions, such as detoxifying the body, transforming toxic substances into water-soluble forms for excretion, and synthesizing cholesterol. Liver problems can be caused by various factors, including liver disease, cysts, or an enlarged liver. However, there are ways to restore the liver's health quickly without resorting to medication. A video discusses how to quickly restore the liver's health at home without the use of medication. The speaker emphasizes the importance of restoring the liver's health to ensure it performs its role in the body effectively. The video offers a free gift to help viewers learn how to restore their liver. One of the simplest and most effective ways to restore the liver's health is by adopting a healthy lifestyle. This includes eating a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Avoiding foods that are high in saturated and trans fats, sugar, and salt is crucial to protect the liver from damage. Another way to restore the liver's health is by staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps the liver function properly by flushing out toxins from the body. It is recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep the liver healthy. Exercise is another important factor in restoring the liver's health. Engaging in regular physical activity can help improve blood flow to the liver, reducing the risk of liver disease. It also helps in maintaining a healthy weight, which is essential to prevent the liver from becoming fatty. Reducing alcohol consumption is crucial to restore the liver's health. Alcohol is known to damage the liver and can lead to serious liver diseases such as cirrhosis. Limiting alcohol intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men can help prevent liver damage. In conclusion, the liver is an essential organ that plays a crucial role in keeping our body healthy. It is important to take care of the liver to ensure it functions properly. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and reducing alcohol consumption are simple ways to restore the liver's health. By following these steps, we can ensure that our liver performs its vital functions effectively, keeping us healthy and active. While there is no surefire way to restore the liver completely, there are certain steps you can take to improve its health and function. Here are some tips to help restore the liver at home. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can help reduce inflammation and prevent liver damage. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and foods high in saturated fat. Heavy alcohol consumption can cause liver damage and lead to liver disease. It's important to limit alcohol intake to protect the liver. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out toxins and improve liver function. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help improve liver function and reduce inflammation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and liver damage. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to a variety of health problems, including liver damage. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to promote liver health. Avoid smoking. Smoking can cause liver damage and increase the risk of liver disease. Quitting smoking can help improve liver health. In addition to these lifestyle changes, some supplements and natural remedies have been shown to improve liver health, including milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements or making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed our video. Subscribe so you don't miss new videos.